Hello. Let's talk about this worm casting tea and how to apply it to your plants. What you need is a spray bottle or a watering can. Get yourself a funnel for your brewed worm casting tea. And there's still like some worm castings in there, but that's okay. It's gonna be poured in here. I'm gonna filter it out when I clean it out, but I'm gonna pour it in there slowly but surely. I'm making a mess. Plus I got holes in it, so that ain't helping me out either. So I got it filled up. Get my spray bottle primed up. Put the lid on real tight. There we go. Now we're going to walk over here to my watermelons that I'm growing. And all you need to do is have it where you prime it. Not on this setting right here, but you want to have it more of a mist setting, if I can get it that way. Just like that, prime and just spray your plants. Get those leaves wet. Try to get the roots as well. And then while we're at it, we're going to come over here, and here's my little mini watermelons that are growing. So the squirrels haven't gotten to that yet, but I have a solution on how to control the squirrels. And then I got some volunteer cucumbers mixed in with a couple of stalks of corn. I'm going to spray that down. Get those cucumbers saturated with some of the worm juice. But I got to tell you something about this worm tea. If you buy it in the store, you don't know how long it's been in there, and you don't know the expiration date. So it's best to make your own, what you can see in this video right here, and have it fresh, and that way your garden will be happy with the results. And also another thing you can do, if you don't want to have to take the chance if you don't want to go about having to spray them down, your plants, just pour it directly onto the base of your plants, and that'll give them nourishment as well. So that's how you apply it to your garden. Get your plants thriving. When you use your spray bottle, always clean it out, rinse it out so that way it'll be clean. You should label it and only use your worm tea or things that apply into your garden. Don't use this for chemicals, but there's affiliate links if you're interested in finding out more about this product right here.